Crypto terms you should know before investing. Address. A crypto address is a long string of letters and numbers unique to a wallet. It's similar to a real-life address, email, or website, and is used to route digital assets. Altcoin. That's an easy one. It's each and every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Bear or bearish. A bear market appears when the price of crypto or other assets keep declining for a period of time. Bearish is to be pessimistic or negative on the current market conditions. Bull or bullish. If an asset continuously rises in price, that's called a bull market. Bullish is to be optimistic or positive on the current market conditions. Blockchain. If you don't fully understand the concept of blockchain, don't worry. Quite honestly, not many do. It's a digital ledger of transactions, a system of recording information in blocks that is duplicated across all computer systems on the blockchain. What is also cool is that it is impossible to cheat or change. Candlesticks. A candlestick chart is a method of determining changes in price over time. The technique is very commonly used in crypto trading, since it indicates bullish or bearish reversals. Cold wallet. A type of digital wallet that stores your crypto offline. It's extra secure because it's virus-proof and doesn't have internet connectivity, unlike hot wallets. Just please don't lose your recovery phrase. DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It's an umbrella term for peer-to-peer financial services on public blockchains like Ethereum. The goal of DeFi is to get rid of third parties involved in financial transactions. Fiat. Fiat currencies are money minted by the central bank. They are not backed by commodities such as gold or silver, but are validated by a government decree. FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. In the context of financial markets, it refers to a fear of missing out on a lucrative trading opportunity. This feeling most frequently occurs when an asset rises in value significantly and people rush into buying it. Stablecoin. A cryptocurrency where price is pegged to a reserve asset such as gold or US dollar. It's basically a bridge between the world of crypto and fiat money, with reduced volatility compared to unpegged cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Ticker. It's a unique cryptocurrency identificator which comes in the form of an abbreviation. For example, Bitcoin has BTC. To the moon. An expression which refers to a situation when a digital asset rises in price significantly in a short period of time. It's also a dream of every investor who bought a barely known altcoin and dreams it will become the next big thing. PrimeXBT trading platform. This one is a must for you to start crypto trading. PrimeXBT offers a one-stop shop solution with numerous assets and services for both newbies and experienced traders. Access DeFi services, copy trading, purchase crypto, and invest in global markets on one platform.